Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says pyramid of biomass is inverted because and हमें यहाँ पे 4 options दिए हुए हैं that we need to discuss about. हमारा key concept यहाँ पे होगा that is ecological pyramids. Now, what is a pyramid? Pyramid is a graphical representation in the case of ecological pyramids, जहाँ पे हम अलग अलग concepts को we are going to present them in the form of an graph or in the form of an pyramid itself. कितने टाइप हो सकते हैं ecological pyramids के? So there can be pyramid of number, second will be pyramid of biomass, and third will be pyramid of energy. Now, what exactly is being represented by pyramid of number? Let's understand. If we talk about by pyramid of number, as I told you that it is going to be a graphical representation. ये graphical representation है different trophic levels का in terms of number कि कितने number of individuals हैं. So we can write number of individuals in that particular population or in that particular trophic level per unit area. So, for example, let's take an random example. Let's say there are plants and the number of plants is around 10 into a certain pyramid. And the birds which are of next trophic level over here are feeding on the plants, right? So, they are going to, let's say they are in the number of 100. Right, birds are in 100 number and there are eagles which are going to feed upon these birds and the number of eagles is, let's say, 10. Right, so these are of birds, these are of plants, as we can say. So if I were to draw a pyramid of this, the pyramid will somewhat look like this, as the 100 will be making a larger trophic level and the eagle ones will be making again a smaller trophic level. So the representation of this will somewhat look like this. And this type of pyramid is known as pyramid of number. यहाँ पे हम number represent कर रहे हैं तो ये pyramid of number है. The shape if we talk about is called as spindle shape. Now, pyramids can be of 3 shapes. They can be this like this spindle shape or there can be a broader base. मतलब जितना ज़्यादा number होगा नीचे first trophic level पे वो broad base होगा और फिर उसके बाद अगर next number is lesser and next number is going to be more lesser तो आप देख सकते हो कि pyramid is very erect in this case. Let's give numbers. Let's say plants were 100, birds were only 10 and eagle was only 1 in that particular ecosystem, right? So the pyramid that will be made will be erect in this case. There can be one more type of pyramid and that can be inverted. The just opposite of this. The broader base is on above side, then there is lesser broader and then there is more broader. So such kind of we can say pyramid is representing the inverted pyramid. So these can be 3 graphical representations for pyramid of number. The same goes with pyramid of biomass. Biomass में pyramid of biomass में we represent dry weight or organic matter. So dry weight of that particular trophic level is going to be represented. Now, since we have just seen the different shapes of pyramids, so we can say that this can also be of spindle shaped and this can be of inverted shape if the organic matter is more at the above level, succeeding level and the lower level is having lesser amount of organic matter, the first trophic level is having lesser amount, then it will be an inverted. And it can also be an spindle shape we have talked. It can also be an erect pyramid. Right. So these three shapes are going to happen in case of pyramid of biomass as well. Now, if we talk about pyramid of energy is something that is always going to be erect. This is something that you need to remember. This pyramid is always erect. The reason is the energy transfer from one trophic level to next trophic level will always happen in decreasing manner. Let's say this energy over here at the producer level, we had 100% of energy because the sunlight enters from the producers. The plants use the sunlight, right? So 100% of energy was there, but 90% of that energy will be utilized by the plants and only 10% will get transferred in the succeeding level. And similarly, this similar procession will be followed in all the cases. So there is a law for this, that is 10% law, that proves this theory, right? So pyramid of energy is always going to be erect, that we need to remember. Now let's talk about the question in the light of this concept. So we have four options. Lower trophic level has more in number. Pyramid of biomass is going to be the pyramid in which dry weight or organic matter is going to be considered. So lower trophic level has more in number, no, because that will be for pyramid of numbers. Higher trophic level has less in number, that will also be an wrong answer. High intensity of sunlight is there, that will also be an wrong answer because sunlight has nothing to do with the shape of the pyramid. Organic matter of first trophic level is less than the succeeding trophic level will be the possible answer for this. Hence, the correct answer of this question will be option D. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.